Monday night. It's lightning. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Nathonia. My channel is Faithful Female 1965, previously called Sis Nathonia, so I'm still going by that name as well. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and become part of the community. If you are one of my friends, thank you for coming to watch this video. It's not going to be long. I'm just outside waiting and watching the weather. I keep seeing lightning. Did you see it? Y'all see it? But there are stars in the sky. Ooh, I know y'all saw that. Have a nice Monday evening. Remember, hit the subscribe button. Come back. Thank you.